Unleash your inner filmmaker and transform your ideas into stunning videos with Higgsfield AI in under 90 seconds. Forget complex editing software. Higgsfield AI makes video creation accessible to everyone. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly produce professional quality videos. First, navigate to your Higgsfield AI dashboard. You'll see a clear option to start a new video project. Click that to begin. Now, the magic begins with your imagination. In the prompt box, simply describe what you envision. Be creative. Think about the scenery, the mood, or the story you want to tell. Higgsfield AI will then process your prompt and generate a range of visual assets. Browse through them and select the clips or images that best capture your vision. We're building your story now. Simply drag and drop these generated elements onto the intuitive timeline. Arrange them in the order you desire to create a smooth narrative flow. Elevate your video with the perfect soundtrack. Higgsfield AI offers a library of generated music and sound effects. Choose a style that complements your visuals, even let the AI suggest the perfect fit. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit the export button. Higgsfield AI handles the rendering, delivering your professional quality video ready to share. From concept to stunning final product, Higgsfield AI simplifies the entire video creation process. Unlock new levels of visual storytelling and let your creativity soar. Visit Higgsfield AI and start bringing your video ideas to life. It's never been easier.